Hi guys, good morning. I'm Rose and Joey. We're going now my doctor's appointment at ultrasound and doctor's check for my baby. So here I go now. We're late now, so my husband is constantly driving. Because my appointment is 8:45, then now it's 8:49, so that's late. So good luck to us. See you later guys, and I will show you my baby ultrasounds for 8 months. God bless.
$154, which is good. Breathing good.
Okay, painful. Your head is going down? Not yet?
No, yeah. Still breech.
Oh.
Head's way up here.
Oh, still there. I expected over in below because I feel like a bulge in below.
Yeah, it's a little head.
She's big now. She's big now.
She's big now. 5 pounds, 8 ounces.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Little face. Got her hand up in her face.
Yeah. Baby, I want to see your face. Show mommy. Show mommy, baby.
Little nose.
Yeah. Show mommy face. Cute.
So cute. at those arms right in front of her.
Don't too much move, baby. She always moving in the morning.
Mm-hmm. That's good. Fluid's good.
Baby. Hands always in the face.
Mm-hmm. She's got both of them up there.
Baby, want to see your face? Oh, your mouth.
Oh. She put them right back.
Oh. Baby, see your face. Daddy want to see your face.
Yeah, when they're breech like this, there's just a lot in front of them.
Yeah.
Usually their arms and their feet. But everything looks good.
Hi, baby.
Fluid and everything.
Thank you. Hi guys, I'm done my doctor's appointment. I have sugar test and blood test for today, and I have another appointment on Monday because they need to double check my baby, and the baby ultrasound today is normal. Thank you for watching and subscribe my video, and please like and share and comments below. Have a good day. Bye bye.